Every time I feel like we make progress on cleaning the shop, it's like we get excited, or I get excited, that there's a spot to work, and then I start 57 projects at once, and instead of just doing one at a time, because I get halfway through something and then I get bored and I want to move on to something new, and then before you know it, all the progress that was made in the shop is now a cluster. And that brings me to this turd, which is in the way, so I'm going to try and fix it today. It's got a fuel leak somewhere. Hopefully Jeff diagnosed this himself, so fingers crossed that he was correct, because I want to do this one time and then get it out of the way so we can move on to something else. Anyways, I'm going to try and change the fuel line on this, and cross your fingers that that's it.
Well, my plan worked. I knew he'd fix it if it was in the way. I was fixing it coming.
It was going better until you showed up. Now I have something to aggravate the hell out of me.
Oh, I can go back.
I don't know, I gotta find a pair of pliers I can fit back there to get the other side off.
So, I need to fix this. Ooh, bare metal. Sweet. Yeah, this has been crappy for a while, and you hadn't noticed it's not a show truck. So I'm gonna scuff all this down. Nope, sorry about that.
God, that hurts so bad.
Anyway.
What are we telling them?
And I was fixing my roof. Fixing the fuel line. Yeah, I'm gonna sand this down now. You okay?
Yeah.
Your finger?
Yeah.
You'll be fine. You got 10 more.
Fine, I'll survive.
First, Rust-Oleum Rusty Metal Primer. Just gonna spray the spots that are bare metal so it has a sealer. Joking. Proper ventilation's being used. This stuff's thick. Stay out of the way.
Was it going? Is it in drive or something? It's gonna drive through me, through my truck, and take him out.
Worked on it. I don't know. Who knows what'll happen? I don't video me yet. I gotta get this other camera set up.
Well, I'm just showing them behind the scenes.
In case something crazy happens and you have to throw that camera down. Guess I better find the job. Oh God, where's your keys?
Oh, don't tell me that. It's a little bird day.
Bird?
Yeah.
I'm right here.
I wonder if they can see your mad paint skills.
I've already seen it in this point.
No.
You got a clear filter on it?
No. Where's the filter at?
I don't know.
I don't see no filter, no. Did we put one on it?
Sure we did.
No, I don't think we did because you couldn't find one or something. And we just, another one of those temporary until we get to it kind of things. Do I need to hook up my jump box?
Maybe. Why don't you get a little squirt of guys?
She ain't liking whatever's going on. Just want to go on record and say Jeff threw about a gallon worth of fuel in there. We need some starting fluid. She's blowing off some pressure.
What?
It's leaking antifreeze. I didn't think that antifreeze in the intake was left over from last time. That didn't make no sense. I can't tell really. That's what I was just trying to. It's leaking from somewhere in here.
We put that other
Other what?
I mean, that's that new housing. Seal good?
I don't know. Maybe not. It looks to me, I couldn't tell. I might have to have you start it again and see. It looks to me like it's coming out of
that piece of shit's broke.
I don't know.
Or the hose ain't clamped down on it good.
I mean, the hose is on it pretty good.
I wonder if that hose is dry rotted.
This is a new hose. You just bought it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Oh, hell, it's cool.
No, that was already there. And it runs all the way back there. That's what I was telling you the other day. I asked you where it was coming from.
It looks like it's...
I can't tell if it's coming from under here or right here.
It looks like it's coming from right there. See? It has to be. I wonder if we pinch that hose.
I don't think so. Pinched it with what?
We clamped it maybe, because we've had that thing off 2 or 3 times. Remember we tried to bend it, or no, it was a totally new one.
That's a brand new one.
Yeah. Unless we just got in such a bind.
I don't know.
It looks like it's kind of whompy right there. Feel it.
I don't know. It feels like it's just right below where the collar. I don't know. Don't know.
Let me crank it up one more time.
Yeah, this right here I feel like it's on the verge of.
Yeah, that needs to be zip tied over.
Start her up and I'll see if I can tell where it's coming from. I see where it's coming from. It only does it when you rev it up.
Yeah.
I don't know exactly where it's coming from, but it's shooting at it right here.
Ah. That's a chrome
Yeah.
nipple.
I don't know if it's coming out of the nipple or if it's coming out of this old crappy hose that we didn't change.
Both.
Probably. Anyways, at least it's not coming out of the new stuff we just did.
That's good.
Makes me feel a little better.
So we just need a piece of 5/8 hose right there. And obviously a new nipple.
Yeah, new nipple and...
It's easy enough.
Oh, look.
Yeah, hell yeah. But it's
It's lit. Yeah, you need a new nipple and a...
okay.
Hose clamps.
Well, that makes me feel better.
Wait, how long do you think it'll take us to finish this project? Like?
Well, there's more.
What do you mean there's more? What's wrong now?
It's almost to the point where it'll run, and that's good. It's real good. Ain't got no brakes.
What do you mean he got no
It
brakes?
ain't got no brakes.
He just dropped the F-bomb. I apologize. We try our best. Why ain't got no brakes?
Because when you push the pedal, it goes all the way to the floor.
So you're saying like this is a new discovery.
It's a new development.
So this wasn't like this the other day.
Pretty sure Aiden didn't have any brakes either, but I didn't want to freak him out. So, hoping shit went well.
Does it have calipers or drum brakes?
It's got 4 discs.
Does it?
Yeah.
What kind of sorcery is that?
eBay special.
Oh, somebody changed
No,
it?
it doesn't come with them yet.
That's why I was wondering.
So it's got something loose.
Loose or it's
Apparently that's what
it's cool. Just use my $600 snap-on screwdriver and break the tip of it off there.
That's such a piece of shit. That's a Harley Davidson.
It's a snap-on edition. I got it when I got my stuff.
God almighty. There's your first problem.
She ain't got no fluid
Ain't
in
got
it.
no fluid in it.
That thing looks dry rot. It don't look like it's touched fluid in 14 years.
I just bought a bunch.
Yeah, but that wasn't. It takes.
Oh, that was dot 4.
Yeah.
Here, there, guys. Is this dot 4?
No, probably not.
You better put that dot 4, paint it or something, or we'll have it.
I've got it over here with my stuff separate. I'm gonna try and keep all. We gotta start. I want to start labeling all our supplies. Like when we buy something, if we don't put it on right there, label what it's for. We need to get a labeler for down here. Like a spark plug. We'll never remember what spark plugs fit what if we leave them sit around. Nope. If it was that empty, it's gonna have to have air all in it. Yeah. Not to mention, why is it leaking?
That's gonna be the bleed.
Bleeding brakes. Yeah. You've always kind of been good at your part, which is pushing the brakes. I mean,
whatever. More brake fluid.
No, but seems like we're gonna start buying it in a 5-gallon bucket.
There's the can of damn gas I was looking for.
It's right there.
We'll be back when we find brake fluid.